How to recover your Discord account on Android. If any day any of you are a Discord user and you're facing the problem on your Ray Discord account and you would like to recover your Discord account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, and in the search section of the Google Chrome, you have to search Recover My Discord Account. Now, after you tap on the option of Recover My Discord Account, you can see an interface like this. Now, you have to tap on the first option, that is Account Recovery. After you tap on the option of Account Recovery, you can see an interface like this. Now, if any day you designated your Discord application mistakenly and you'd like to recover it, now you can see the various kind of articles that is written there. Otherwise, you can go to the option of feedback and then tap on the option of feedback. Now, otherwise, you can also go to the very search section once again and then go to the option of the Discord support. And after you tap on the option of the Discord support, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option of the Discord support. And after that, you can send a message to the very Discord about your problem that you are facing. Now, for that, what you can do is you can go to the help center there, and then you can search the very option of recovery there once again. And after you search the option of recovery, now it will take you to an interface like this. Now you have to search it once again, and after that, you can see the various kind of options like this. Now you can follow all of those steps by just seeing all of those articles, and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.